They are playing a game of finding prizes hidden in Orbeez. Lubu chooses the orange vase to match his yellow outfit. He pours out the Orbeez and finds a note promising him $5,260 in cash. Ding Dong chooses the purple vase and finds a gold bracelet inside. Tong Tong chooses the smallest glass. Her prize is revealed to be cream, and she gets a pie in the face. Meow Meow chooses the blue vase. She finds a note that says she has won a refrigerator. She is overjoyed when they reveal a brand new refrigerator for her. Ho Ho chooses the large red glass. She pours out the red Orbeez to see what she has won. Her prize is a dare to always stay 2 meters away from the man. They immediately start enforcing the rule, keeping them apart. Sahora's next and picks the yellow vase. She pours out the Orbeez and finds her prize inside. Her prize is to give everyone a $999 red envelope.